Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vanshika. How are you, beta? बेटा कैमरा ऑन।
मैम एक सेकंड अभी आता हूँ।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, can I have the cameras on, please?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Cameras on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bhavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This was Nishchal.
Yes.
Beta, cameras on, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Keep the cameras on, everyone, please.
Ma'am, today we will do geography.
Yes, today we will do geography. I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, keep your books open on your table, all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you show the book?
Yes, just a minute. Just a minute.
Ma'am, that contemporary India. Ma'am, contemporary India.
This is the book. The Contemporary India Geography.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this.
Show me.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. This is the geography book, class 9. Chale, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have, in total, we have got 5 chapters in geography. I think this is your first class of geography, children.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
We have in total 6 chapters, right? There are 6 chapters. You will be reading only and only about the India physical geography, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be reading about the size and location of the country. Like we all know that India is the 7th largest country in the world, right? If we talk of the size, right? And when we talk of the location of the country, we all know that India is a country which, which has its location on the southern part of the Asian continent, right? Right, class? If you could see, can you see this? Globally, if you see, India is located on the southern part of the Asian continent,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So we'll be reading that how the size and location affects everything in the country. Like if we talk about the size, we know it is the 7th largest country. And then we will be reading about that in which hemisphere it lies. Then we'll be reading that what is the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the country, which latitudinal line, divides the country into two equal parts. Then which all islands are there in the country, which all water bodies have surrounded the country in the southern part. Like if we say that India is a peninsula, what is a peninsula, do you know?
Yes.
Yes,
What,
ma'am.
Patel, what is a peninsula, Tushar?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, the area which is surrounded by water.
From three sides, land that is
From three
surrounded by
sides.
water
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Side of water.
is a
Ma'am,
peninsula.
ma'am, when I was in first class, ma'am, I got, ma'am, 3 days and I learned it.
Very good.
Ma'am, from 3 days.
Okay, within 3 days you
Because,
learned,
ma'am,
you had exams, right?
that, yes, ma'am, ma'am,
Okay, fine.
but I thought, ma'am, it was data and my mother explained, then,
Okay, fine,
easy.
fine. Then we'll be reading that, if you remember, class, if you remember, see these lines that you can see on the globe. Can you see the lines, the sleeping lines and the standing lines, latitudes and
Yes,
longitudes?
ma'am.
What are
Yes,
these?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I hope you all know about latitudes and longitudes. Do I need to give a recapitulation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, no, ma'am.
No.
No.
Okay, fine, fine. Then we'll be reading that which all countries, are the neighboring countries of our of Indian subcontinent. Then we'll be reading that which all water bodies they, surround the country in the southern part. That is like, towards the west, if you see, we have Arabian Sea. Towards the east, we have the Bay of Bengal, and in the south, we have Indian Ocean, right? And do you know India is the only
Yes,
country which has a ocean named after its country. There is no other
yes,
ocean in
ma'am.
the world, which is named after the country. So in that case also we are very lucky. And because India is surrounded by three sides, from water, that is why since ancient time, sea route was quite developed here. Before, the land route developed, the sea routes were quite developed since the ancient era. Okay, right, class?
In Surat.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
Now see, look at this bar diagram which is given over here. They have shown you the 6 largest countries. First largest country is Russia. Then we have Canada. Then we have USA. We have China. We have Brazil. We have Australia. And the 7th number is of India. You need to learn all this better. You need to learn these, which is the first largest country, second largest, third largest, right? You need to remember
Okay,
them.
ma'am.
Though in GK you must have done this. You must be aware of all these things, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will be reading that why, like it is written, no, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Time along the standard meridian of India, passing through Mirzapur, is taken as the standard time. We all know that the longitudes that serve as the, standard meridians for the time part. We have read in
Ma'am,
class
what is
6.
the means of time lag?
Time lag means gap, time gap.
Okay, ma'am.
In class 6, we have read about the standard lines of the
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
no? We have read, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The standard meridian,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
know what is standard meridian? The meridian that is considered as the timeline for the whole country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Russia has how many timelines?
Ma'am, I don't know.
5. Russia is one of the largest country, no? the longitudinal extent is quite high. So that is why Russia has 5 timelines. Okay. Right? Fine. Okay. Now, why there is a time lag bit of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh? If you look at the globe, wait, I'll show you. See, if you look at this, you can see that 96° east. Can you look at the map over here?
Yes,
Can you see?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
96 degrees east is given. Right? Then we have 92 degrees east.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, you know what happens? To cross every latitude, every longitude, it takes 1 minute to pass 1 degree. How much time it takes?
1 minute.
1 minute to 1
And if
degree.
4 degrees we have to cross, that means 4 minutes gone.
4 minutes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
if you calculate from 96 degrees east to 68 degrees east, you will find that there are 30 latitudes in between. How many?
30.
30.
Degrees. Yes, 30 beta, 30 degrees. Right? So if you calculate, you will find that the time that is taken by the sun, by the earth to rotate from east to west, it is exactly 2 hours, 120 minutes. And 120 minutes give you 2 hours, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Huh.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. So we'll be reading that why it is so. Then we'll be reading that India, you know, this line. Can you see this line? This dotted line which is
Yes,
given.
ma'am.
You
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
this dotted
Yes,
line
ma'am.
is the standard meridian for our country. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, ma'am.
And whatever time we have at this point, that time is considered for the whole country, east and west, both sides. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because it is centrally, हाँ, because it is centrally located.
मैम कौन सा वाला मिर्जापुर?
क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
मैम कौन सा वाला मिर्जापुर, जो बरेली के पास है या बरेली से जो दूर है?
बेटा जो उत्तर प्रदेश में है मिर्जापुर, बरेली के पास वाला ही होगा मिर्जापुर फिर तो ये। बेटा इलाहाबाद के पास है ये, सॉरी इलाहाबाद के पास है। ठीक है,
हाँ वही।
इलाहाबाद के पास वाला मिर्जापुर है। ठीक है आयुष, आर्यन सॉरी।
ओके मैम।
राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
So these things, see the kilometers, the latitudinal, longitudinal distance that is given, you need to, you need to remember all these. These are one word answers that will come in exams, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then they also say that the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. This also, if you remember the heat zones that we did in the class. Do you know the heat zones? Class?
Tropic of Cancer.
हाँ
No, ma'am.
Tropic of Cancer.
बेटा हाँ, हीट जोन्स हमने पढ़ा था ना। इक्वेटर, हमारे जो लैटिट्यूड्स होते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
0 डिग्री इक्वेटर होता है, फिर 22.5 डिग्री ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर नॉर्थ में, टुवर्ड्स द साउथ इट इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, देन आर्कटिक सर्कल, देन अंटार्कटिक सर्कल। वेरी गुड निश्चल, वेरी गुड।
Ma'am,
यस
ma'am, the countries which are lying, ma'am, near or on the equator.
हाँ,
So, ma'am, they are considered, ma'am, very, ma'am, hot.
yes, they are very hot, very hot. Africa, you see, equator divides Africa into 2 halves. Africa is a very hot country.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Africa is a very hot country. The south of India, because it is closer to equator, that is why south is quite warm. We hardly have winters in South India.
Yes, ma'am.
Only those areas which are on higher altitude.
Ma'am, like, ma'am, Rajasthan.
हाँ, राजस्थान का तो रीजन कुछ और है ना बेटा, उसका जो लोकेशन है, लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड वाला जो लोकेशन पड़ता है, वो ऐसी जगह पे है कि वो इट इज अ
मैम
ड्राई,
मैम what
वहां पे फॉरेस्ट वगैरह कुछ है नहीं, पूरा का पूरा डेजर्ट एरिया है ना वो, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज हॉट।
yes ma'am yes ma'am
हाँ,
okay ma'am
उसके बाद देन यू कम टू दिस India and the world. In this, you will be learning that because India has a central location between East and the West Asia, that is why the Trans-Indian Ocean routes, they had a good connectivity with the other European countries in the West and the countries of East Asia as well. Then, because of the ideal location of the country, India has been trading, since ancient period through the sea routes. ठीक है, right class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then they say that, like here, no, they have told you that what kind of relationship India had with the other countries of the world, other continents which were there. Then how the routes, the sea routes that were there and the passes that were there in the Himalayan region, how these routes have, contributed in the exchange of ideas since the ancient time. Then the ideas of Upanishads and Ramayana, stories of Panchtantra, Indian numerals, decimal system, everything has reached, other parts of the world. Then the influence of Greek sculpture in our architecture, this thing, styles, dome, minarets from the West Asia. See, in our country, whatever we have, the diversity that is prevalent. So if you look at the architect of the country, you will find variety of, architectural structures in the country. If you look at the scripts, you will find variety of scripts over here. If you look, हमने पढ़ा है ना हिंदी में, देवनागरी है हमारा, देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट भी है, बहुत सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स है ना हमारे कंट्री में,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी में we have read, no?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. So it is all because of the influence of the outside world as well. There were many intruders who came to our country. They, conquered our country. They settled down over here. And because of this, the exchange of cultural and the traditional activities which were there, that has taken place. And over periods of time, since ages, whatever influence had come from the outsiders or the invaders, that has been, that has shown a great impact in our country. If you look at the architect, घरों के स्टाइल, जब ब्रिटिश आए तो ब्रिटिश स्टाइल में होता था, है ना, गॉथिक जो है स्टाइल अपनाया गया. जब आपके मुस्लिम मुगल एम्पायर आया तो उस टाइम पे डोम्स वगैरह बहुत फेमस हो गए, है ना. वो लोग जो है पर्शियन स्टाइल को लेके आए, डोम्स, मीनार. आपने देखा होगा ना, हैदराबाद में 4 मीनार है,
Yes,
देखा है ना आप
ma'am.
लोगों ने. हाँ, तो ये सब चीजें
Yes, ma'am.
हमारे कंट्री में जो भी डाइवर्सिटी प्रेवलेंट है, इट इज ऑल बिकॉज इतने सालों से, सिंस एंशिएंट पीरियड, पीपल हैव बीन कमिंग टू द कंट्री, अपना इन्फ्लुएंस यहाँ छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. एंड हमारे यहाँ से जो लोग बाहर गए, दे हैव लेफ्ट देयर इन्फ्लुएंस ओवर देयर. तो ये इट इज अ गिव एंड टेक ऑफ, कल्चर एंड दी ट्रेडिशंस. ठीक है, जैसे
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग अगर ब्रिटिश हमारे पास नहीं आए होते, हमें कॉलोनी नहीं बनाया होता उन्होंने, तो शायद अब हम कभी टेबल चेयर का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ ही नहीं पाते. भाई आप हिंदू घरों में देखो, आप मतलब जो इंडियन फैमिलीज हैं, उसमें आप सब जो भी लोग रहते हैं, उनमें आप देखो, दे नेवर हैड डेवलप्ड द कल्चर ऑफ सिटिंग ऑन टेबल्स एंड ईटिंग और सिटिंग एंड रीडिंग ऑन द टेबल्स. सारा का सारा तो हम लोग जमीन पे बैठ के काम करते थे. बट जब ब्रिटिश आया, लोगों ने उनके कल्चर को उनको बड़ा डिग्निफाइड सा लगा, तो दे अडेप्टेड दैट, है ना. तो जो हमारे कंट्री में जो डाइवर्सिटी प्रिविलेंट है, उसका वो अकेले सिर्फ विद इन द कंट्री जो लोग थे उनके वजह से नहीं है. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द आउटसाइडर्स हु केम टू द कंट्री एंड इन्फ्लुएंस्ड अस, राइट?
मैम
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
बेटा, यस बेटा.
मैम अफ्रीका एक रिच कंट्री है या पुअर?
समझ नहीं आया, क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
मैम अफ्रीका रिच कंट्री है या फिर पुअर कंट्री?
बेटा अफ्रीका बहुत रिच कंट्री नहीं है, क्योंकि अफ्रीका में डिपॉजिट वगैरह बहुत है, पर वो डेवलप नहीं है कंट्री बेटा. अगर डेवलप्ड होती तो अलग बात हो जाती, है ना.
मैम तो मैम सही में टीका प्रोडक्शन सबसे ज्यादा वही होता है ना पूरे वर्ल्ड में?
क्या चीज?
मैम टीका प्रोडक्शन,
किसका किसका?
टी चाय पत्ती.
चाय पत्ती
Red
अफ्रीका
label.
में, बेटा कॉफी में, कॉफी होती है अफ्रीका में बेटा।
अच्छा कॉफी।
हाँ कॉफी है। है ना? ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हो गया आप लोगों को? चिल्ड्रन दिस मच इज क्लियर। हाँ, अब आप आ जाओ इंडियाज नेबर्स। अगर जब हम इंडियाज नेबर्स की बात करते हैं तो हमारे कंट्री में टोटल 28 स्टेट्स हैं और 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज है। ठीक है, अब ये जो फाइंड आउट वाला जो पोर्शन है ब्लू, class can you see this blue portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have already given you some math work and these also you need to do. Am I clear with this map work part?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to do all this 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 maps I want you from you people for this chapter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है। Any doubt you can ask me anytime, okay? Right class?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will be doing these question answers first. Find out wala thing we'll be doing is question answers and you will be doing it on the map work. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Eastern.
Chalo, any doubts you have, please ask.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat maps again?
See this find out portion that is given over here. All the questions that you have here, you need to do them in the map work. First write the answers and then simultaneously mark it on the map as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine? Okay. Now coming to the do you know fact. Before
Ma'am.
9, yes beta. बोलो बच्चे। बेटा सिद्धांत आपका माइक अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को। हाँ बोलो।
Ma'am, there are two find out questions, ma'am. We have to do the both boxes.
नहीं, only the one which I am telling you right now over here. That we will do after the chapter is over. Okay.
Ma'am, on the page number 4, that was.
On page 4, that find out which we have, you need to do it in the notebook. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Now moving to the. See, you will take help of this map, though I think it is not the updated one. They have not given you the divisions of Jammu and Kashmir over here, right? It has been now divided, no, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
How?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2 states have been cleared out of it.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I am asking you, how many states have been cleared out from Jammu and Kashmir?
Ma'am, 2.
States?
मैम एक स्टेट लद्दाख।
States? Or union territories?
Yes, ma'am, 1. Sorry.
No, states or union territories?
Ma'am,
Union,
I think
union
2
territory.
union territories.
Yes.
एक ही यूनियन टेरिटरी मैम।
It is union territory, not the states, my dear. Jammu Kashmir was a state. After 370 article was removed, it was divided into 2 union territories, right? You can see these dotted lines, no?
Yes.
The upper part towards the east is
किधर?
Ladakh region. हाँ.
मैं बनाऊं तो पढ़ रहा हूं।
Muskan, don't do it. Erase it. I will remove you from the meeting if this the kind of things you will do.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
See, the blue portion that I have marked is Jammu and Kashmir, and the rest of the part is Ladakh. I hope now it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Fine, fine.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Up till here, everything clear and understood to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the
Yes, ma'am.
find out question answers. Let us do that first, okay? Okay, first one. Number of union territories along the western and the eastern coast. Eastern और western coast में कौन-कौन सी union territories है? Write it down quickly in your notebook, rough notebook if you have, or in the book itself, and then we will discuss. Right? Are you doing? Are you doing it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
I am taking the laptop near the board, okay? So that I can write questions for you people. Is the board visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, find out page 4, question number 1. So, who is going to tell me?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
These are on which side of the union territories? On western coast, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Daman and Diu.
And ma'am, Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Okay. Dadar Nagar Haveli then.
Ma'am, Puducherry.
Then,
Ma'am, Lakshadweep.
when is Lakshadweep on the western side?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar.
Lakshadweep Islands. Only 3 we have.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar.
बेटा अंडमान एंड निकोबार कौन से कोस्ट पे है? हम वेस्टर्न कोस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं ना.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar is in ma'am southeast side.
The eastern coast, हाँ, east, southeast of the country. Okay. चलिए. Now union territories. Then we have Andaman and Nicobar. Right? These are the UPs that we have on the western and the eastern coast. Yes, class?
Yes,
Can you
Yes,
all?
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, note it down.
yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next question.
Ma'am, please read.
Okay, waiting. Now the second question is asking you, as per the area, which is the smallest and the largest, which is the smallest and which is the largest state in the country. So which is the smallest in
Ma'am,
area?
small. Ma'am, Goa.
Goa, very good. And largest?
Goa,
Ma'am,
Largest.
largest is Rajasthan.
Rajasthan,
Very good, very good. Very good, class. Now the third question says asks you, that though the states which do not have an international border or does not lie on the coast. Yes. Third question. The state that does not have an international border or does not lie on the coast. So the first you will write Haryana. First is Haryana.
Yes, ma'am. Then
First is Haryana, then we have Madhya Pradesh. Right? We have Haryana,
yes, ma'am.
Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, Haryana,
Then we have Jharkhand. Then
West Bengal,
we have
West Bengal, Gujarat,
Hey, West
Mizoram,
Bengal shares border with Bangladesh, beta. Then we have Telangana, right? Then we have Telangana. So how many states are there which does not have a international border or does not lie on the coast? Haryana,
5,
5.
Ma'am, Haryana में कौन?
Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana. How many states?
Ma'am,
5 states.
5.
Very good. Very good. Now coming to the next question. Classify the states into 4 groups, each having common frontiers with. Now you have to give the states, names of the states that share borders with Pakistan. That shares border with
ma'am,
Pakistan.
Rajasthan, Gujarat,
Ma'am, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab,
Very good, very good.
Jammu Kashmir.
Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Very good.
Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir is not a state, my dear. It is a union territory.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm
Union.
actually sorry,
So
ma'am.
3 states share borders with Pakistan, right? Now you need to tell
Yes.
3 states that share borders with China. So we have Himachal,
Ma'am, Himachal, ma'am, Uttarakhand, then ma'am,
Sikkim,
ma'am,
Ladakh,
Sikkim, and
Arunachal
ma'am,
Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Yes, very good.
ma'am,
Very good.
Nagaland, ma'am, Manipur. No, ma'am.
Nagaland,
Ma'am,
Nagaland.
Manipur and
नहीं मणिपुर तो म्यांमार हो गया ठीक है
yes,
clear
ma'am.
so how many states 1 2 3 4 5 states right Ladakh is again a union territory beta
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Ma'am, please repeat first time.
Repeating: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now the states that share borders with Myanmar: Mizoram.
Ma'am, Mizoram, Manipur,
That's it.
and ma'am, Nagaland. Oh,
Nagaland.
ma'am,
Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
So how many states? 3 states. Right? Now the
Yes,
states that share borders with Bangladesh: West
ma'am,
Bengal,
West Bengal, Meghalaya, ma'am, Tripura,
West Bengal, Tripura,
ma'am, Mizoram,
Meghalaya. नहीं, मिजोरम कहाँ से?
Mizoram,
मिजोरम नहीं कर रहा है. हाँ, मिजोरम कर रहा
ma'am,
है.
Mizoram है.
हाँ,
Yes,
मिजोरम,
ma'am.
त्रिपुरा, वेस्ट बंगाल, मेघालय एंड असम.
Okay, ma'am.
तो कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4
Ma'am,
5.
5.
Right? I
Please
hope
repeat.
all are clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Did you say something, beta?
Please repeat, ma'am.
Repeat.
Please repeat.
What to repeat?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
you
both
repeat
one.
first one?
Pakistan one. Beta, what to repeat? Please tell, beta.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Okay, states sharing borders with Pakistan, right? We have Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab.
Ma'am, please repeat, ma'am. Third, ma'am.
Oh.
Third one. Ma'am, Myanmar.
Myanmar, it is Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Okay. Then Bangladesh, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all questions you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to do it in the notebook and do the map work as well. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to make different maps for different work.
So for first 3 questions, you can use one map and last one, you can use one map. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to make ma'am, double side rule copy.
Beta, geography intra-leaf, one side plain, one side ruled.
Okay.
One side plain, one side ruled.
Ma'am, geography copy is one side ruled and one side plain.
हाँ जी मुस्कान बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else that you want to ask, class?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Akka? I hope
Yes, ma'am.
by Saturday you will do your work, or within 2 days period you will